In today's video, I'm going to share my detox juice, and you're going to need only 4 ingredients. Your body will thank you for it. I hope you're all well and welcome back to my channel. We're going to need 1 cucumber, celery, a piece of ginger, and 1 green apple. I'm going to wash all the ingredients and cut them. If you're new here, I'm Kayi, and I share quick, easy, and very yummy recipes on this channel. Consider subscribing so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm using my blender for today's recipe, but feel free to use a juicer. I'm going in now with all the ingredients. I will be adding a little bit of water and blend everything well. To all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for clicking again on today's video. I really appreciate all of you. Don't forget as well to try this recipe and let me know what you think. Now it's time to strain the juice, and you can add a little bit of water as well to make it easier and obtain more juice. This blender is quite big, so I have to pour the second batches in and repeat the same thing. Once you obtain the juice, you can add a little bit of honey if you wish to, but this time I didn't add any honey because the apple was those green but yet very sweet type of apple, so I didn't need to add any sweetener. If you are on Instagram and TikTok, you can find me on Instagram and TikTok as well to see the shorter version of all my recipes. The juice is ready now, and I'm just transferring it into a bottle. I'll keep this in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and just enjoy it over those 3 to 4 days, and it's still going to be very fresh. And when the weather is hot, you can still have this juice with some ice, and you're definitely going to enjoy it that way as well. And of course, I have to try it, and the juice was so refreshing. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next one. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.